How to create a Paysafecard account. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a Paysafecard account quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's dive into our video. Go to your Google account, click on Paysafecard right here, card account. Click on that. And by the way guys, Paysafecard is a convenient prepaid payment method that allows you to make secure online purchases without the need of personal information. And if you're ready to get started, let's dive into this one. Let's go to my Paysafecard right here. Add our email. Add our password. Hit enter. Your login was not successful. You forgot your password. Click here. So let's sign up first because we don't have an account yet. So here the language is different. So let's change the language right here. So let's go back to this part. Create account right here. So here, get a debit MasterCard, Paysafecard right here, which plan is right for you. So let's go. So in order for you to log into your Paysafecard account, go to account and card. So select a plan. So let's go back and create an account right here. Account. Create Paysafecard account. So here. Let's register, set up an account. This is not on the English part. So we have to go to English right here. Set up account. So it's not English, so I think we can move it right here. Let's see. Instructions right here. So let's read that one. So in order for you to set up a Paysafecard account in a few minutes online, find sales outlet, find the nearest sales outlet to you and buy Paysafecard code and available for different amounts. Top up your account and 16-digit play card that you bought. So here you can create an account, just follow the steps in this one part right here. But for me, the language is not available on my end, but for you, just follow these 7 steps and we are good to go. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to create a Paysafecard account. With your new Paysafecard account, you can make safe and hassle-free online payments without the need of personal details. And I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for free. And as always guys, thanks for watching and we will see you on the next video.